From now on, we will work with a credit scoring dataset that I created for this course. I used the default of credit card clients dataset from the UCI machine learning repository, and I modified it heavily. I have prepared a notebook for you. This notebook includes the common steps involved in the exploratory data analysis. You will find an overview of essential Python libraries for data preprocessing and analysis, and you'll become familiar with the dataset used in this notebook. You will learn how to read data from CSV files and explore basic methods or functions associated with an object, and attributes or properties of an object. Head is a method that returns the first few rows of the data frame. dTypes is an attribute that returns the data types of each column in the data frame. Info is a method that provides a concise summary of the data frame, including the number of non-null entries and data types. Describe is a method that generates summary statistics of numerical columns in the data frame. In the notebook, you will learn how to check for missing values. You will explore some basic data visualization techniques. I highly recommend that you go through the notebook line by line, try out everything on your own, and consult the available documentation for each function as needed.